sa 2028, pag nakabalik yung mga Duterte, gigibahin nila yung demokrasya. I know yung dito, Duterte. So, bottom line, itong 2028, kailangan magsanib pwersa para head-to-head yung laban. Ay unity candidate versus a Duterte candidate. That's the only way to defeat these people.
And you think, because you were there
Yes.
during the time of former President Arroyo, during the time when her numbers were at 16% at its lowest, and it was branded that if she endorsed someone, it would actually be a kiss of death. You don't believe that this administration is in that kiss of death mode?
No, not yet. I don't believe that. Why? Because there is a solid Marcos base. There is that solid north na no matter what, ando doon sila. Ganon din yung Duterte, di ba? May ano sila, may solid Duterte base. Ngayon, yung middle forces, ano ka, pagka nandiyan ka, you won't get either of these camps. Iba kasi nakatingin sila, they're living in the moment. We were ringing the alarm bells noong 2016 na pagka naupo si Duterte, gigibain nila yung demokrasya. Look, nobody believed us. Look at ABS-CBN, Inquirer, Rappler, the other democratic institutions, and the people na pinapatay ngayon ngayon na inililitis ngayon sa The Hague. Yun ang nakikita ko doon sa mangyayari sa 2028. The people would have to forgive me if I won't have time for anything else kasi mabigat na laban itong just dealing with the Dutertes alone. And ako, all the rest, I'm not, kumbaga hindi ko minamaliit kung ano man yung nadidiscover lang dito. Ngayon, if anybody, kung meron kayong nakikitang ebidensya, testigo, then i-file nyo. But I only have two hands and I'm going to use these two hands para dito sa aking primary agenda, which is to make sure na mapanagot yung mga Duterte sa kanilang krimen.
Oo. So kumbaga what you're saying is you are single-minded and your main advocacy is really first justice.